Misinformation or negligence. Allu Arjun speaks out on stampede tragedy. Hyderabad was rocked by a tragic stampede at Sandhya Theatre on December 4th during the premiere of Telugu superstar Allu Arjun's much anticipated movie Pushpa 2. The incident claimed the life of a 35-year-old woman and left her 8-year-old son critically injured. Amid mounting accusations and political scrutiny, Allu Arjun broke his silence, calling the allegations humiliating and a form of character assassination. A career under fire. Addressing reporters, the national award-winning actor, known for his humble demeanor and fan following, expressed deep hurt over the incident. "I have built my career and image with the hard work of 20 years. It is heartbreaking to see it being sabotaged with misinformation. I remain apologetic for what happened, but I request people not to judge me unfairly," he said. The actor denied any deliberate violation of rules, clarifying that he attended the premiere only after receiving clearance from the theatre management and police. "I am a law-abiding citizen. If I were told there was no permission, I would have left immediately," he stated. The Chief Minister's accusations. Telangana Chief Minister Ravanath Reddy had a different narrative. Speaking in the State Assembly, he claimed the superstar's presence created a stampede-like situation. He alleged that despite police denying permission for the premiere, the actor went ahead, waved to fans through his car's sunroof, and remained at the theatre even after learning of the tragic death. Arjun countered the claims, claiming that he was unaware of the crowd's uncontrollable size and had left as soon as his manager informed him of the chaos. "It was not a roadshow or procession. I waved to fans out of respect. No policeman approached me to leave," he said. Accusations of intensity. The controversy deepened when Telangana MLA Akbaruddin Oisi made a shocking claim without naming Arjun. He claimed that an actor had remarked, "The film will now be a hit." After learning about the woman's death, responding emotionally, Arjun said, "I have a child of the same age. Wouldn't I feel the same pain? No one should be blamed for what happened." Night in jail. The tragedy led to Arjun's arrest earlier this month, sparking debates across social media. While he secured bail within 24 hours, the incident reignited concerns over celebrity accountability and crowd management during high-profile events. Government takes a stand. Chief Minister Ravanath Reddy, defending Arjun's arrest, emphasized that the government would prioritize public safety over celebrity privileges. "No one will receive special treatment. Protecting lives is our highest priority," he declared, announcing a crackdown on special shows and incentives for the film industry. As the dust settles, questions remain unanswered. Was the tragedy a result of poor planning, negligence, or misinformation? While the public mourns the loss of a life, this debate over the responsibilities of celebrities, authorities, and organizers continues to rage. One thing is certain. For Allu Arjun and his fans, this incident marks a grim moment in a career otherwise filled with adulation
For
and
more
success.
updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.